Good morning, children. Sai Ram. Today we are going to do EVS 2. Chapter 2, Work of the Saints. Children, today we are going to revise this chapter. So today we are going to do revision part 1. In this part, we are going to do recap of the story which is there in chapter 2. About 400 years before Shivaji, Maharashtra was not free. Children, listen to me carefully. About 400 years before Shivaji, Maharashtra was not free. It was divided between the sultans. Now you know which sultans? Adil Shah and Nizam Shah. Sultans, now these were the sultans who constantly fought against each other. The people suffered and were harassed. They wanted to come out of this difficult situation. And this time the saints came to their rescue. These saints changed their thoughts and developed faith in God. Now, who are the saints? Saints are people who teach good virtues to the community. They are holy people. There are number of saints in Maharashtra. Now, Maharashtra is called as a land of saints. Now, there are many saints as I told you. And they include Sant Goroba, Sant Narhari, Sant Eknath, Sant Sheikh Muhammad, Sant Tukaram, Sant Niloba, and similarly Sant Janabai, Sant Soirabai, Sant Nirmalabai, Sant Muktabai, Sant Kanhopatra, Sant Bahinabai Shirwarkar are also included. Now they taught people various virtues like compassion, non-violence, charity, service, equality and brotherhood. They also taught no one is inferior and no one is superior. All are equal. All are equal. Now, these saints taught us many things as I told you before. So, we will learn something about these saints. Now, we will learn about Sant Chakradhar Swami in this chapter. Now, Sant Chakradhar Swami was originally a prince from Gujarat. A prince means son of a king. He became an ascetic. It means a person who does not want to enjoy worldly pleasures and want to lead a holy life because he loves God. He moved all around Maharashtra preaching equality. He told the people not to believe in any discrimination between caste and gender. Now, in those days, people were not respecting lower caste. People like the teaching of Sri Chakradhar Swami and so started following them. He started a sect which is called as Mahanubhav. Memorable incidents from the life of Sri Chakradhar Swami is compiled in the book and it is titled as Leela Charitra. Incidents worth remembering. Means good memories. Now we will learn about Sant Namdev. Sant Namdev was a great devotee of Lord Vitthal. He lived in the village Narasi. He composed many songs in the praise of God and performed kirtans. Now, what is kirtans? Kirtans are songs and stories based on a religious theme. He moved all over Maharashtra to spread Bhagavad Dharma. He taught the people deep devotion to God. He also instilled in them the desire to protect their religion. Namdev went to Punjab. Now, Punjab is a state in our country. He spread the message of humanity and equality. He composed many songs in Hindi. Some of the verses are even included in Guru Granth Sahib. Now, what is Guru Granth Sahib? It is a holy book of Sikhs. Now, we will learn about Sant Jnaneshwar. Now, Jnaneshwar's family belonged to Apegao. Nivruttinath and Sopandev were his brothers and Muktabai was his sister. They were the offsprings of a sannyasi. A sannyasi is a Hindu religious. The people of those times were very narrow-minded. They did not think it right that a sannyasi should have children. And therefore, they persecuted them and sent them away from the community. They were ill-treated, means they were badly treated, so much that when Sant Jnaneshwar went around begging the alms, they did not give him alms. It means food or grains given to a saint. Instead, they used abusive language, bad language. Young Jnaneshwar was deeply pained by this incident. He was very sad. He came to his hut and locked him from inside. He locked himself from inside and he was very sad. At that time, his sister came at the door and started knocking. Knock, knock. Open the door, Jnaneshwar. Open the door, she said. How can you remain drowned in your own sorrow? Who will then look to the welfare of the world? Who is going to look after the welfare of the world? She said. Now, listening to the words of his sister, Jnaneshwar got great hope. He forgot about his sorrows and started working for the people. He went among the people and taught them to have faith in God. Treat everyone equally and help the people in sorrow and misery. Jnaneshwar's times, all the religious books were written in Sanskrit. Nobody was able to understand that language, Sanskrit. And the language of the common people was Marathi. And so, Jnaneshwar wrote Jnaneshwari in Marathi. Now, Jnaneshwari is a book written by Jnaneshwar, Sant Jnaneshwar. Now, this book opened the doors of knowledge for the common people. He also preached the ideal of brotherhood among all men. At a very early age, at Alandi near Pune, Jnaneshwar took Samadhi. Samadhi means it is an intense state of meditation. Even today, on the 11th day of Ashad and Kartik, lakhs of people go to Alandi, Pandhari, with devotion. Children, we will start with our small assessment now. We will take a small test. What we have studied in this part. Shall we start? Yes. Now read the heading. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct option. Now options are there in front of you. You have to just choose the correct one. Now read the first fill in the blanks. Sant Namdev lived in the village dash. Sant Namdev lived in the village dash. Which village? Now you have to choose the correct name of the village. Now you have two options in front of you, Narasi and Kashi. So which one is the correct option? Now you have to think well before clicking on the correct option. Yes, Sant Namdev lived in the village Narasi is the correct option. Okay. So you have to just tick Narasi. Okay. Now see the next one. Second one. A blank is given already. And then read it. Dash was originally a prince from Gujarat. Now who was originally a prince from Gujarat? Again two options. Sant Namdev, Shri Chakradhar Swami. Now who was a prince of Gujarat? I'll give you time to think, so don't worry. Yes, very good. Well done. Shri Chakradhar Swami was originally a prince from Gujarat. Let's check out all the answer. Okay, now read it again. Yes, very good. Sant Namdev lived in the village Narasi. Now read the second one. Shri Chakradhar Swami was originally a prince from Gujarat. Now you have to name the following. So, see, read the first one. You have to name the saint now, I think. So if you read the heading, you will understand what you have to do, right? He compiled a book called Leela Charitra. Now you have to write the name of the saint who compiled a book, and the name of the book is Leela Charitra. Yes, very good. Yes, I'll give you time to think again. Yes, and the name of the saint is Shri Chakradhar Swami. Now read the second one. His verses are included in Guru Granth Sahib. Now as I told you, Guru Granth Sahib is a holy book and his verses are included in this book. So whose verses are included in this book? Okay, no problem. Take your own time. Yes, very good. Sant Namdev. His verses are included in Guru Granth Sahib. Let's check out the answers. See the first one. He compiled a book called Leela Charitra. Now, who compiled? Sri Chakradhar Swami. Now, read the second one. His verses are included in Guru Granth Sahib. Now, and the answer is Sant Namdev. Children, you will revise this video again to understand the chapter better. Right? Okay. And we will complete this chapter in the next video. So, we will meet in the next video, right? So, thank you.